Welcome to this blind ranking. Today we're going to be taking 15 TLDs or top level domains, and we're going to rank them from 1st to 15th. But we have no idea which TLDs we're going to be ranking, so Randy has prepared for us ahead of time 15 various TLDs like .com, .app, .computer. Maybe we actually don't know what's going to be on the list, but once we place them on the list, we cannot move them. So we have to make a good informed decision ahead of time of where we're going to put it on the list without knowing what's coming up next. And I do believe we'll have one move. We can take one domain and move it up one or down one. That's our only change we can make while ranking this list. All right, first up is .dev. I'm thinking high on this list. I mean, this we are devs, but this has got to be in the top 3 for me.
Top 3? I put it at like 8, 10.
Yeah. Dev is cool, but it's not as cool as like the other cool domain names. You get a dev when the other ones are taken. I'm saying this is a 6.
Okay.
I said 8, so we can. CJ says 3. I say 8. Wes says 6.
Let's go with 6. I'm good with 6.
Yeah, 6 is kind of the average there. .org.
.org.
.org is bottom tier to me. This is dog water.
I guess it depends.
It's OG.
Yeah, that's the other
There's
thing.
Better
Yeah,
OGs.
You
There's
got
better OGs.
your .coms, your .nets, your .orgs. These are the ones that, like, for the longest time, that's basically what we had to choose from when we were registering a domain.
Yeah, if you're on a .org, I feel like it's truthful.
Nah, it seems like it makes sense, but it doesn't.
Give us 1 5.
Yeah, let's go 5.
Oh gosh, I was gonna say 14. So.
But that's the most hilarious thing, that in FigJam you can just like make an image any size and put it in front of you.
All right, we got some ranking to do. Next up is .ai. I'm not a fan of this. I think it's being spammed to hell as well these days. What do you guys think?
I think it's awesome, and so what's .ai? It's a country code for Antigua, I think.
Yeah,
and apparently
right.
like half of their budget is coming from .ai domain registration. So if we're gonna like take a country's TLD, they better at least be making bank from us.
If you guys put .org at 5, we are screwed. .ai should be much lower. If we don't have any room for .ai to be a top 4 here, because there's so many better top 4 here.
Yeah.
So I'm down with 8. It's you guys screwed us on .org. I'm telling you.
Yeah. So we're putting it at 8.
Okay, 8 it is. .net, top 4 for me. Let's go.
I
.net
agree.
has moved around from being just the joke, not .com, to being like ironically good now.
Yeah, it's true. It's like it's aged like a fine wine, and like who has a .net?
I do.
Remember .cjb.net? You got a .net? What is it?
I'm not going to tell you.
I have a notlocalhost.net, and I use that for one of my tutorials. But yeah, I love .net. .net's great.
.net is the New Balance of domain names.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in on .net now.
.io.
Oh, 2.
Yeah, it's Indian Ocean, but input-output for computing. I like it for
like
short
.io.
domains. Yeah, it's pretty high for me as well.
It's cool as hell.
.io was like the first one that anybody, like once all the .coms were taken, we all went to .io.
Yeah, .io for sure.
Number 2.
XYZ. Who gives
15.
a... Yeah, 15. Who cares about
if I see
.xyz?
.xyz, it's a spam.
Yeah.
Do you know how much it costs to register an XYZ? It's
Are
like
they giving them
98
away?
cents or something.
Yeah.
$2.
It's spam for sure. Throwaway domain name. And I've heard that it affects your SEO if you use the .xyz.
Wow. I like them, but yeah, I don't think I'd use it for anything. I have so many random domains I just use for random stuff, but 15's fine.
.com. Overrated. Who cares?
Overrated?
Yeah, .net is the new .com.
It's so hard to find a .com these days, I think, is the issue.
Yeah.
I have all of my children's .com. So I'm very proud that I have .coms, but also like there's nothing left for .com.
Yeah. Should we put it at 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just not cool. But it is
cool.
a great signifier of quality, whatever. The .com
Or
is legit.
VC.
It's
if you
official.
have a .com, it means you spent a ton of money on a .com.
Yeah, I think .com to me became out once friend.com purchased it for gazillion dollars and then did absolutely nothing else. So .ca,
Canada.
14.
14, yeah.
Yeah.
California is probably what the Americans think it is.
I'm going to be
Yeah.
real. When I see a .ca, the first thing I think of is, no, take me to the real site, please. I ended up in some actual like fake version of this.
The opposite is true, is that in Canada, you land on shopping websites all the time, and they don't say if they ship to Canada, and it's so frustrating. So I love a .ca, but I understand why you wouldn't need it.
Can we go 14
putting
or
that?
13? 14 or 13?
Let's do 12 because I think there's some doozies coming.
Okay.
Yeah, if there's a
Yes.
.info, that's also at the bottom of the list too.
.gg.
GG. I kind of
Yeah.
like it because it's short, you know?
Yeah, and it's gamers, so it's
Repetitive?
good game. Does anybody know what country it is?
I don't know, but I don't really like the letter G that much. So for me,
Oh, I love it.
it's low. What?
What country is it?
The Bailiwick of Guernsey?
Bailiwick of Guernsey, says
A
Randy?
British...
This is low for me. I get good game. I would rather have a .glhf rather than a .gg. I don't know. This is low for
I'm
me,
saying
but
4.
4.
No,
Four.
7.
Four.
7.
Yeah, I'll
7.
meet in the middle of 7 because like I have thought
Yeah.
of app ideas where GG would make sense in the domain.
Yeah, and like having a word like dig or something
Yeah.
with an extra G is a great way to like make a business that is not already taken.
Oh yeah, so many words end in G.
Remember that was a big thing, is that so many domain names were like, Scott has Tallinn.ski, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
where's
Whatever.
.ski on this list? Give
Yeah,
number
like,
one
that
right
was
there.
the thing for the longest time where you had like, or like a .ly, you know, like Grammarly, .af.
14.
So-
don't care.
Yeah. Tell us about
For
it,
anyone
Wes.
who doesn't know, I had boss.af, and it got stolen by the Taliban, and we did a whole episode telling the story.
This is a real
And,
story, by the way.
a real
This
story.
actually, yeah. This sounds
So
fake.
I have
but-
I have an email thread with the Taliban that I check up every now and then to see if they'll give me my domain name back, but they will not because of reasons.
Yeah, so 14 because you basically shouldn't register one unless you're a member of that
They took it
organization. I
from
guess.
me, yeah. Like they yoinked it away from me. .zip.
.zip. This is also low tier for me.
It's
So
worse than AF.
Yeah. When this came out, there's like so many potential hacks came up because. And like there are a lot of services that will like highlight a URL, and then once the TLD.zip came up, now anytime someone posts a .zip, it turns it into a URL.
Yes. So 13 is fine. It can be above the one that will get confiscated by the Taliban to me.
No, because like at least I have a funny story about the Taliban taking my domain name. Can we switch
yeah.
them?
No.
That would be our only swap though.
No, that's not worth it for the only swap.
It's too far down in the list. I don't think it's worth it.
.ly.
I love an
11.
LY.
This one sucks too.
Yeah,
No.
this one sucks. This is like some Web 2.0 type of stuff for me.
It is nostalgic of Web 2.0 though. I'll give you
Yeah.
that. So
It is.
maybe 11.
Yeah, we only have 9 or 11 really.
I feel like there's got to be a doozy coming yet.
Okay, so we'd be betting on there wouldn't be another worse one than LI. Do we think
No,
there will be a
let's
worse
do
one
9.
than LI?
I think there are definitely worse ones. Let's go 9.
.new.
These are handy as
Yes.
as like a way to like create a new code pen
I'm comfortable
or code
putting this
sandbox
above .org.
or a bug report. That's new is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are a lot of them available too. I've when I'm looking for domains, .news tends to show up. Does anybody know what this is?
So I put
This
this
is
in the
real?
list because this is the longest possible TLD that you can register on the entire list, and
I
it
see.
also includes a non-Latin character. So it actually translates to like XN dash. It's in punny code.
Unicode,
really.
Punicode, yeah.
Yeah. Is it puny code? Have I been saying punny code my whole life? I thought it was punny because it's like funny letters.
I think puny because it's Y is almost treated as a vowel, so it's vowel consonant vowel, so U would be a long U. Puny.
I would have said punny,
This is
but I
not
don't
school,
know.
CJ.
I'm not good at this.
That's
Yes.
how you pronounce things. I don't know. 11.
Okay.
All right, so this last one has to be really good because we
But
reserved
we
the
get
number.
a swap though, right?
We
I
can
guess we
have
could swap.
there's a swap.
But you can
But I
only
have a
move.
feeling that we won't have to. If I know what's coming next, I'm saying it. Yes,
Dot computer.
one. Clear. Number one. Computer.
Yeah.
Dot computer is
Computer's
my
pretty good.
number one.
Do you guys
It
have dot
rules.
computer domains?
No,
I have,
I'm trying. Yes.
I have null dot computer. It's my email.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's so
the
good.
great.
Yeah, anytime a new
domain.
TLD comes out, I try to search and see if null is available. I have a bunch of null domains.
Dot computer is amazing, actually.
That's
I don't know
good
why I
domain.
don't have a dot computer now that I'm thinking about it.
It is long though. That's one reason why it's for special projects. I don't think I'd launch an app or a business at dot computer, but it's
Yeah,
fun for
but,
first.
What a good word. Who says computer anymore?
It's so
You know?
fun.
Hello, computer.
That's like saying hyperlink. That's
Yeah.
very nostalgic, but also really cool. Yeah, that's fine. That's one. I say
I'm
that's
happy
a
with
one.
it. I'm happy
It's so
with it. That's
cool.
great.
It fits all the it's cool. The only thing that's bad about it is that it's too long, but other than that, it's cool. It's not played out. It's not overused like dot computer where it's at.
Guys, this is so unhinged that you're putting dot computer at number one.
Syntax dot computer is not available.
Yeah, now
Do
I
I-
gotta go buy some.